I'll do it.
We're about to do push the button.
Push the button. Yeah, we're gonna push tut button. I'm not pushing no one's buttons. Push tut button. Alright. Push tut button. Push button. Push tut button. Push tut button. This throwing hints that he keeps the sun. Don't have to think about it. I wanna kiss and everything around it, but he's too distant. I wanna feel his body. I can't resist it. I know my hidden looks can be deceiving, but how obvious should a girl be? I was taken nearly by the condescension piece, and I really like the way that he feels me. I've been waiting patiently for him to come and get it. I wonder if he knows that he can compensate. I know I have my mind made up from the very beginning. Catch this opportunity so you and me can feel it. 'Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I could control. This is throwing him. Now he's been bustin', I'm kinda showing off his full attention. My sex life has got to even new dimension. I'm ready to do something to relieve this mission. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he came on through and asked me if I wanted to get wedded. I knew I'd made my mind made up from the very beginning. Okay, we missed the opportunity so you and me you feel it. 'Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control.
I'm dropping so many hints.
What? You're still not getting it. Now that you've heard everything that's on fire, where are we going to go from here?
This is a bit pointless, this bit.
After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he came on through and asked me if I wanted to get with him. I knew I made my mama and your ex from the very beginning. Miss this opportunity so you and me can feel the islands. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. Like, if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the gravy and let me know before I get the wrong idea. You're gonna miss the freak that I control. Oh, it just doesn't fucking end, does it? Boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea and go before. I'm gone, fuck off.